Good morning everyone. Today we are going to make these cute daisy earrings. Now you can see one of our customers have made these. Here you go. Now you can see the digital file and the final product, which is really cute. Small earrings, beautiful earrings. So this is a very simple design, and flowers, floral jewelry is always, and this is, you can see, this is the file, and this design is also available as a free design in the free design section of designbundle.net. So you can go to free designs and scroll through, and you will find on, I think, page 6 or 7, this design, which is available for free for now for few days, and then you can download this file as a practice. So you can see I have manipulated it different way. I have like put 2 daisies or 3, but this is the basic design I am going to work with. So this is the design, and we will create this simple daisy beautiful floral earrings today. So we will go to our Illustrator, and my working file is ready. I will bring up my guide so I know that I'm putting the design in the center, and I will bring my 2x2 inch box and zoom so I know that I'm building in a 2x2 inch area. To build a simple petal like that, like this, it will require some work and care, because you see here this design needs to look symmetrical, and it should not have more anchor points than it needs. So what we are going to do is we are going to build a petal design. Simply, again, I'll choose pencil tool. I will just select a color, and I'm just going to draw a petal shape like that. Now there are many ways to do it, but I have started to build it with the pencil tool. So now I'm going to show it to you, which is also a fastest way. So now if I select this line, now again I will want that I have less anchor points, these anchor points, so the line will be smoother. So I'm going to go to Object, Path, Simplify, and I'm going to choose a preview. So you can see originally I had 4 points and now I have 2. So now it is nice and clean line, and again I'm just going to align these 2 anchor points so they are nice and symmetrical and on the same plane. And I'm going to reflect this shape now. I'm going to select it, right click, arrange, transform, reflect, and I'm going to reflect it vertically and make a copy. By using arrow tools, I will just bring it to the other side and just here. Now I will want that these 2 parts connect. So I'm going to bring it a little bit near and choose my direct selection tool, select these 2 points, and use join tool from pencil menu and hover over it. Now it will make a nice beautiful shape. And again here from this part, the lower part of the petal, I'm going to select again my direct selection tool and select these 2 points, select join tool from pencil menu and hover over it, and it will make a beautiful petal shape. I'm going to bring it right in the middle of the artboard so I can see how big it is. And remember, again, this box is 2 inches high and 2 inches wide. So whatever earrings I will be making, they will be of this measurement, so I know that how they look. Now to make a daisy, now I can just reflect this design and make a flower, but we are particularly, I want to show you, I can make this, we will use this shape and make earring with it in the next video. But for now, how to make this daisy, how to make this rounded petal, this is what I wanted to show you, this one. So for this, what I'm going to do, so again align, and I'm going to zoom, and I'm going to first choose direct selection tool from here, and now you can see there is a little circular point which I will, if I pull this, this will make this shape more rounded. Here you go, more rounded. So this is a rounded shape now, this is not a pointed shape. To make a long here, to make this petal longer, what I'm going to do here is, so I'm going to take it to the top of the 2 into 2 inch box, and I will slightly pull this shape down and squash it, and again bring it into the middle. Now I will squash it more so it looks more like a daisy petal. So, and align in the middle. Now what I'm going to do is enlarge it, pull it down so it just becomes taller. So again align. Now this shape is complete, and I'm going to make a copy by choosing Alt and click, right click, and I'm going to change this into a fill from this little area. Now you can see this petal is ready to go. What I want here, now I want to repeat this shape around a point, and I do not want this pointed shape, I want a more sort of a rounded shape here. So what I'm going to do is just cut this shape from the, by using eraser tool, and I'll push click shift and just remove it and delete this part. So now our daisy shape is ready. Now I want to rotate this shape around the center. Again I'll choose pen tool, put a point right in the middle of center, get and select this point again, align it right in the middle of the artboard, align these two shapes, group them, and use again transform from effect menu, distort and transform, and transform, and I'll choose this point. This part of this shows how many anchor points this box has, so I'm going to choose the middle point on the lower part and preview, choose 30 degrees and maybe 10 copies, and again look at the preview. Now I think that this is too much close together, so I'm going to choose 40 degrees now, and yes, now it looks good. And 10 copies, let's see how many I need. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I might not need 10, so let's see. Yes, so now you can see our shape is ready. Now this shape looks like a little bit like this shape, and now we are going to work on this shape to make it into a final earring. So first of all, I'm going to make a copy of it, keep it on the side. Now let me remove everything. Let's see what is this shape. So now we are going to first object expand appearance, and again object expand and unite this shape. Now you can see this is a nice floral shape, and I don't want this geometrical part in it. So what I'm going to do, simply select this shape, select my direct selection tool, and just hover over it and only select this path and push delete, 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 and now this is a one solid shape. Now this is a floral shape, and now just to make it into a final earring, I'm going to again select ellipse tool and then choose another color so you can see. And if I click once, it shows me dimension. I always choose 0.11. I work in inches, so 0.11, and then I can just bring it here. This is the hole for the jump ring. So now, and I'm going to align this to center. Now what I'm going to do is just punch a hole through this shape. I might make it a little bit smaller, maybe 0.10 into 0.10, so it looks nicer. And I'm going to bring this shape right in the middle and align it. So now you can see this earring shape is ready to go, and now I'm going to punch this hole right through this shape. So I'm going to select both of these and select minus front. So now this earring is ready to go. You can sell this as a earring design, and this is your choice. You can, I'll bring up my guides again so I know where the design is. Now you can sell it like that, and if you want, you can work further on it, like if you can punch a little hole in the middle just to make a nicer, beautiful looking earring. So I'll change the color so you can see where the, and align it again, and this is right in the middle, and you can just punch another hole in this earring and keep working on building this final earring design. So you can see here I have tiny little holes here, and I have made this design as I wanted, but this is how you basically build a floral earring, and you can add more design features to it if you want to, but this is how from this shape, a petal shape, you have built a floral earring which people really like. So thank you.